Okay, I'd now like to invite Mr. Saket Dhankar, Head of Fashion, IMG Reliance, to kindly say a few words back from this 3-day extravaganza.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome to everyone present here. We are delighted to have you all for the launch of Myntra Fashion Weekend. 15 years ago, in the year 2000, IMG introduced to India the concept of Fashion Week, and that revolutionized the Indian fashion scenario. A fashion week showcases the best of designers to fashion industry professionals and to worldwide buyers across and stores. With Indian consumers evolving and becoming more discerning and adopting and lapping fast fashion, we believe that the time is now right for us to introduce another format, which is a fashion weekend, which has the end buyer, which is the consumer, at its core. So Myntra India Fashion Weekend is a consumer ticketed shopping event, which is a successful format internationally. IMG's successful format. We do it in Zurich, Sydney, and London. So we are bringing it to India along with Myntra.com, which is India's largest online fashion store. The Myntra Fashion Weekend is scheduled at Hotel Palladium from 3rd to 5th, and it is going to be India's largest and biggest showcase of fashion to the consumers. First time, Indian consumers will buy tickets to attend this fashion event where shopping is at the core of the event. Myntra Fashion Weekend is your chance, it is your ticket to trends, it is your opportunity to engage and interact and get first-hand insider information on India's fashion industry and interact with leading designers and brands. You can expect designer shopping, catwalk shows, beauty makeovers, style advice, live presentations, and much more. A key highlight of the Myntra Fashion Weekend will be the Vogue Fest, where Vogue is curating the designer shopping area, and they will present the best of Indian fashion to our consumers. Our special thanks to Myntra.com for partnering with us, for sharing this vision. And special thanks to Mukesh for understanding the significance of this consumer-centric format and encouraging us to make it bigger and better in the first edition itself. So on behalf of IMG Reliance, I would like to welcome you all to this world of shopping, runway, beauty and style, which is the Myntra Fashion Weekend. Thank you.
I'd now like to request Mr. Mukesh Bansal, CEO of Myntra and Head of Fashion Flipkart, to please say a few words on how Myntra.com and IMG Reliance have come together to create this fabulous property. And since Myntra is the perfect hub of fashion and beauty trends online, how will they translate the same experience for their consumers on ground?
Hi guys, good afternoon. Thanks for taking time for this. I'll just start by saying I think we are creating history in India. We are absolutely thrilled to partner with IMG to create this event. From the day one, Myntra as a brand, our vision has been to help everybody in India look good, right? So we've been working on various events, properties, engagements across various platforms. And when Saket and I brainstorm about this event, and I learned what IMG has done with this event globally, I felt this can be perfect platform for us to really connect with consumer and make our brand vision come alive, where we are not showcasing only very high-end designer labels, but we are talking about fashion in a way that a normal consumer can relate to, who can see the entire spectrum of fashion, from fashion trends, understanding about styles, understanding about beauty, various consumer trends which are relevant to today for today's consumer. Nothing like this exists in India. This is, first edition. We're putting a lot of effort. The way event is shaping up, we are very excited. We are absolutely thrilled to, have Lisa as the, face for this event for us. We'll be hearing from her shortly. It's going to be, I think, mind-blowing from, what I can see. I can't wait for, next 2 weeks to get over and for us to start with this event. And we'll look to build this over, next many years. And I think, IMG team has done a phenomenal job in getting a lot of people on board so that we cover all aspects of fashion that really matter from consumer point of view. We are expecting, huge involvement for not only from Myntra consumers online, but overall fashion enthusiasts. So I'm pretty confident that this event will be making huge waves, and it will not only help move Myntra's journey forward, but a huge milestone in how fashion is evolving in the country.
I would now request Ms. Bandana Tiwari, Fashion Features Director, Vogue, to please say a few words.
On behalf of Vogue, first of all, I would like to thank for this delightful collaboration with Myntra and IMG Reliance. As you know, Vogue Fest is part of a larger initiative that Vogue is going to focus on come October, which is the 7th anniversary, called Vogue Empower, which is the biggest CSR activity that we are going to venture into. Vogue Fest, of course, is going to celebrate shopping and fun. And the important thing about the Vogue Fest is that we are bringing in all the expertise of our editorial team that have put their heads together to curate about 80 brands that are going to come under one roof. And it's going to span not just fashion and makeup and beauty, but F&B. And I think it's a very curated list which consumers will enjoy. And we are hoping that this turns out to be a great celebration of not just buying, but entertainment and fun. And of course, the most important part for us is that 10% of the sale proceeds is going to go to Give India. This is our contribution towards the CSR activity that we are venturing towards. And with that, I'm going to pass this mic on to
Ms. Radha Kapoor. She will be speaking next.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for inviting me to be part of this panel. Very happy to support this venture with Myntra and IMG. So I actually set up a school called the Indian School of Design and Innovation in collaboration with the Parsons School of Design from New York, which, as you might know, that is a very famous school, which has produced some of the top designers, right from Tom Ford to Donna Karan to Alexander Wang. Also Raghavendra Rathore, who is a well-known Indian designer as well. So the idea for us to partner here was, we're actually shaping the next generation future designers. So I thought this was a great platform for us students to be involved, to really understand the fashion industry, the kind of profile, consumers, whether it's, trends and forecasting, like social commerce, all the digital platforms. So I think it's a great platform, because I think Mumbai is going to be the next sort of, fashion capital of the world. And even Parsons sees it like that, because they're trying to create a network of cities, right from New York to Paris to Mumbai and also Shanghai. So I'm really excited to be part of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Kapoor. For those who don't know, Radha is the founder and executive director of ISD Parsons in Mumbai. And next we have a very special guest, Lisa Hayden, who I'm sure loves shopping and fashion as much as all of us. We'd like to request you to say a few words, please.
Hello. Thank you for calling me a special guest. Is it because I arrived late? I'm very excited to be associated with Myntra Fashion Weekend because I think it's an exciting opportunity. First off, this is a ticketed event, I've realized. So people, has someone already said this? Oh, you did? Okay. Well, that's why I'm excited about it, because everyone, we're making amazing, glamorous, high fashion accessible to many different people. But one of the reasons why I'm also excited yet again is because I've been associated with Myntra for a few years now, and I find it a very privileged thing that I snuck in really early and kind of stuck for a long time. And I've known Mr. Mukesh Bansal for many years, and I feel like I've grown with them as a family as the years have gone on. And every shoot that I do with them, I feel always, for some reason, touch wood, comes out to be very cute and very special and very fun and exciting. And I think that the brand in itself has gone from being, a pioneering brand to being possibly India's #1 online shopping website. And I just feel so proud that they've grown and grown and grown, and now they have their own fashion weekend. So I can't wait for the 3rd of October to come. And I think I'll bring my whole family because they also haven't been able to see fashion shows and, shop all the exciting designers in one spot. So thank you for having me, and thank you, Mukesh, for allowing me to grow with you.
Thank you, Lisa. That was wonderful. I'm sure everyone present here will relate to your love for shopping. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now open.
Products which are actually being showcased at that point of time live. And what about the purchasing? How will it help you in doing online sales at the point of when the show is going on?
So I can just say about the live streaming of the event. So we will have a Myntra Fashion Weekend YouTube channel, and the entire event, all the runway shows, would be showcased live on our YouTube channel. As far as the shopping is concerned, so this is an event where shopping can be done. So whatever gets showcased on the runway is available in the exhibition area also, and we will ensure that it goes on sale on Myntra.com also.
Yeah, so will the users be able to see it live next to the show, something like that?
I think, just to add to what Saket said, so our attempt with this event is, to see, we are all about democratizing fashion, making it accessible, as much accessible as possible. So everything we can do to leverage our entire online user community with the event. So a lot of Myntra customers will be physically participating here. As Saket said, there will be online streaming. All the selection that's available to shop during the fashion weekend will also be available to shop at Myntra.com. And we'll in future look forward to also replicate this in various cities as well at different scale. So the larger idea is we want to connect with our consumers and be able to tell the whole fashion story, the look good story, in not only in online space but physical space, but very close association at Myntra.com, at the event itself, among the social media itself. So it will be, the whole event will involve huge spectrum of people, and definitely very big community from Myntra. We have more than 10 million people now who are registered with Myntra, and through this event, we'll reach out to all of them.
Hello, good afternoon, sirs, ladies.